brand new. Bitch.
What's good, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we've got a unboxing and first impressions of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This has the blue Alpine loop, I believe. You can get this on Apple's website or all your cellular retailers, AT&T, T-Mobile, you know, saying Verizon, you name it. I'll leave the link in the description. And just like in all my other videos, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate y'all. So let's kind of go ahead and get into it. You know, typical Apple fashion and things like that. I'm gonna pop this down, and then we're gonna slide this bad boy out. So a nice little unboxing experience. This feels really renewable. Little Apple Watch, little branding, little situation. Never. Right there, as you can see, these are all the little Apple Watches. Here's all the information about it and stuff like that. On one side, you got the side button, you know what I'm saying, in the case itself. The 3 microphone array, crown guard, depth gauge, and the altimeter. You got your GPS built in. You got your action button, which is the orange. Got the international orange for high visibility. It's got a siren on here. Boy, they're not playing no games, boy. You know, the power button right there, you know, saying got the little puck, you know, saying to charge it. It's got a compass on there, waypoints, elevation, backtracking. Boy, you name it. Boy, this is the Ultra Watch. Okay, got the depth gauge, all this other stuff right there. So if you want to go swimming with it, things of that nature. Right there, and showing you how to do the little action button, workout app. You know what I'm saying? I'll be putting it through its paces, heart rate zone training. I mean, boy, you name it, they got it. You know what I'm saying? So, usual books. Everything feels like, it's like recycled, what's it called? I love it, you know. So here's the device, the watch itself, but we'll get to that in a moment. We'll check out the loop. I like that. A little Alpine, little situation. I'm not going climbing in this. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll use it for my regular workouts. You know, I'll be hooping and stuff. All right, so now we got the loop. Looks like it attaches the same way right there as, you know, saying the older Apple Watch. You slide this out. I'm definitely loving the presentation. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So, all right. It feels good. I like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely feeling the, you know, how it feels, the texture of it and things of that nature. Has the little super loops, and so if you want to adjust, here's the adjustment thing, the little sliders and things of that nature. I like it. I like it. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Yeah, that's my color too. Ooh. All right, so we'll move this off to the side. And this is all this is carbon neutral, so that's very big. They were pushing that and things of that nature. So carbon neutral on everything. Definitely feeling that. And the star of the show is the watch itself. We're going to pop this bad boy out here like so. You know what I'm saying? So we'll pop it open for a little dramatic effect. Shout out to the homie. There we go. Here we go. So there's the Ultra in all its glory. So here we are. So we'll leave that there real quick. Let's see what else we get in the box. Designed by Apple in California. So pop this open. USB-C. Here's the regular puck. The difference is this is braided, so you do get a braided cable. This one looks a little bit longer. So braided cable to charge up your device and things like that. Nice touch. I'm really feeling this. You know, I'm a sucker for presentation. You know what I'm saying? It just screams quality. So I'm definitely a sucker for that. It does have some weight to it. I can tell you that right now. So if you do, you know, want to select it, just know that it's gonna come with some weight. It's gonna come with some weight. So it's gonna be up on you. So here is the watch itself. Nice. That screen, boy. Ooh, let me wipe it off real quick. Man, that screen is whew. So here we go. Here's the crown, digital crown. I'm assuming this is the power button. So we'll see if it has any juice. So there we go, right there. Man, that screen is woo. That screen huge. That screen is huge right there. And go to fam right there. Shout out to the fam. So let me see if it pops up on the thing. So yeah, man, we're gonna get it all set up. And yeah, hold on. You know what I'm saying? Let me get it all set up, and then we'll kind of go through it a little bit. Just a little bit. You know, I ain't gonna keep you guys here too long. Talk amongst yourselves. Shout out to the homie. And just looking, you know, at the pairing situation, you know, saying it was real easy. It popped up on there, you know. And again, if you have an Apple device, all the Apple little ecosystem stuff little pops up in there. We're gonna restore it from a backup. And then this is the old my old one. So I'm saying pop that up in here. Bam. Connecting to the Apple Watch. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through this, but I just wanted to show you guys the pairing and all the other stuff. It's real seamless. So again, I'm gonna get it all set up and then we'll come back. What's good, y'all? We back. So I got it on my wrist, and so it's pretty cool. You can customize it and things like that. So I just, you know, just brought this one up real quick just so you guys can actually see it, and you can see how big the screen is and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty dope. So, you know, you can customize these things, and then they got different ones. So if you come over here to the app, so if you're not familiar with it, you can go to the watch faces and stuff like that, and they got a whole bunch of them. And then when you click on one, then you can actually go in there and actually, you know, saying customize it however you want to. So I just clicked on this one, this modular ultra. Pop down here, you can choose the color, radiant, the style, everything, and then you can actually customize the actual section. So that's actually dope too, and stuff like that. You can do that with the other ones as well, but you know, for the ultra, you can kind of go in there and kind of get all the way into the weeds and stuff like that. So I think that's pretty dope. So, you know, again, you know, just like everything else on my channel, I'm going to put it through its paces, you know, saying just like everything else. And hopefully, you know, I'll be able to get back to y'all and, you know, do some workouts and things like that, and, you know, just kind of live with it for a while. So just, you know, again, it's going to be a while because, you know, I really want to live with it. So, you know, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, just leave them in the comment section. And until next time, you guys take care of each other. Peace.